Hi, I'm Brad Humphrey, and I'll be joining you in October in South Carolina with the ECP Driven Conference. I can't wait to get out there and meet you. Hey, one of the sessions I'm going to do is on how to retake your market. You know, we've all, as business owners, have lost a market share at times. How do you get that back? What are some of the strategies you can put into play? I want to try to walk you through some practical hands-on strategies you can put into place immediately. Hey, I'll see you in October. Have a great summer of work. Bye.